Is AI ending UX design as a profession? Let's discuss. If it is, at least we'll finally have time to finish all those damn Jira tickets. Hi, I'm Pat. I'm a senior UX design consultant with a decade of experience helping teams bridge the gap between what users need and what businesses think they need. I've seen every design trend from flat to glass morphism, and none of them change the fact that good design is about clarity, not pixels. So let's talk about what AI really means for UX and what it doesn't. AI tools are getting smarter, and while they're still right now kind of an autocomplete with better branding, they're becoming genuinely useful for certain workflows. They're great at generating something, but they don't understand everything. They mimic design patterns without knowing why they work. They can remix, but they can't reason. A shiny interface generator doesn't make UX obsolete. It just gives lazy product managers a new toy to play with. AI helps with efficiency and iteration, but it doesn't replace the part where we make sense of messy human behavior. Because that's where design lives, in the space between what people say they want and what they actually need. So let's talk about vibe coding as an example. A shiny new promise of no code but cooler. Yes, it can generate full apps in minutes, and that's exciting. But maybe don't run your healthcare platform or bank on it. The code quality? Questionable. The security? Let's call it optimistic. It's great for prototypes, MVPs, or validating an idea quickly. But the second real users or sensitive data enters the picture, you'll need real developers. AI coding tools are like interns with infinite caffeine. Productive, but you still don't hand them the production keys. Sometimes they even hallucinate whole features out of thin air. Scary and kind of impressive, like a toddler with a chainsaw. So here's the thing, design isn't dying, but drawing pixels might be. UX has never been about decoration. It's about translation. Your job isn't to make things pretty, it's to make them make sense. You interpret chaos into clarity, turn abstract ideas into usable outcomes, and explain those decisions in a language everyone understands. AI can generate interfaces, but it can't understand intent. It doesn't know what's meaningful to a user, what motivates behavior, or what frustrates them into quitting. That comes from empathy, observation, and conversation, the thing that makes design human. In many of the projects I've worked on, the end user are subject matter experts operating in highly complex environments. AI would not grasp the intricate realities of heavy industry workflows or the subtle judgment calls those users make daily. Good design comes from understanding those contexts deeply, not from pattern recognition or prompt engineering. That's what separates execution from understanding. And if you think prompt engineering is design, congratulations. You're just a glorified autocomplete whisperer. AI is not ending UX, it's reshaping it. It automates production, not problem solving. Designers are moving upstream, closer to strategy, systems thinking, and facilitation. The value of UX is defining why something exists, not just how it looks. AI can make you faster, but it can't make you more insightful. It doesn't understand stakeholders, politics, or straight up human weirdness, and that's where we still win. Your work will become less about making deliverables and more about connecting people, developers, managers, users, around clarity and shared goals. AI can draft layouts, but it still can't sit in a room and explain to 5 managers why the button can't be blue. That's still all you. So, to sum it up, AI is not ending UX. It's filtering out the ones who thought design was just about making things look nice. It's reminding people that design is about thinking, empathy, and decision making, not decoration. If this helped you calm your existential dread, or make it worse, subscribe and comment what topic you want next. Because here on Design Unhinged, we don't panic about the future, we design it.